殺人事件と断定しました。
Whoa! Whoa! Subanos!
A rescue training session on Mount Balunaraju in Peru unexpectedly turned into a real survival situation. Craft is called fire retardant, a chemical used to slow the spread of fire by coating vegetation and reducing its ability to ignite. Every year, more than 1 million wildebeest take part in this massive migration across Kenya and Tanzania. You are listening to sounds recorded from nearly 300 feet beneath ancient ice. The creatures completely covering this piece of driftwood are believed to be gooseneck barnacles, a type of crustacean that lives in the ocean. Has there ever been a strange weather phenomenon where you live that made you stop and look twice?